Guess what we're making tonight? It's Oklahoma onion burgers. 3 words that sound real weird together, but come together to make something better than the sum of their parts. This one's for the Oklahomies. All right, to start, we're gonna need some meat. So let's take 3 pounds of chuck and slice that into some meat sticks. And we're gonna throw those meat sticks into the grinder. Just put your meat sticks on grinder and let grinder do what it does for your meat sticks.
Grind that meat!
Now we're gonna take that ground beef into 4-ounce balls, meat balls, if you will, balls you got from grinder. Delicious. Now we're gonna take 2 to 3 yellow onions, slice them as thinly as possible, like paper thin, like you want to be able to see light through them, like onion windows. Look through the window. Do you see something? Then it's good. That's how you do it. That's how you want your onions, window-like. Now preheat a pan. We're gonna want this to get really hot. Now put some of those meatballs in the pan, season the ball, place the onion on top of said balls. Now beat your balls. Beat the ball flat and smashed. You're gonna want a nice thin smash patty from your balls. Maybe throw a little bit more onion on top of that patty and smash it into the patty further. Make sure you're gonna get a nice caramelization on the patty. You want that nice crispy caramelization for texture and mouthfeel. Mouthfeel for your meat sticks and balls. From there, we're gonna flip the burger over to the onion side and let that caramelize. The steam from onion is gonna keep the meat nice and juicy. Take some cheese and melt it on top of your patty. From there, you're just putting pickles, onion, mustard on this burger. I made this a double burger. Now let's cut into it and see what we got. Ooh, sexy cross section there. And honestly, as far as a greasy spoon diner burger goes, this is really hard to beat. But let's try to elevate it just a pinch. So we're doing everything the same. I'm grinding the beef, super thin onions, but we're gonna give the onions the caramelization before. So put a loving nub of butter, a nice loving nub. Let them go, stirring them up as necessary. You're gonna wanna pull those to the side once you're done. Also, in the first chunk of the video, we used regular white buns. We're gonna switch those out with brioche and butter them right now.
Buttery smooth, buttery fresh.
Butter on butter.
Good!
Now that we have our seasoned balls of meat, we're gonna add the caramelized onions on top of them, and then we're gonna smash the caramelized onions into the meat. This way the onions will have a little bit of a deeper, sweeter flavor. I really wish caramelized onions had a nutty flavor, so I could say deep sweet nut, but go and say like
Deep sweet nut!
but that would diminish my integrity. Anyway, where were we? Meat sticks and grinder? So from here, we're gonna get that same beautiful golden crust, flipping it as normal, and we're gonna finish off caramelizing the onion. From there, we're gonna swap out American cheese for some young cheddar.
Young cheddar?
We're also gonna make this a double burger with the mustard and the pickles. Now let's cut into this one. And the other one was good, but this one is just a pinch better. And I mean, look at that cross section. It's amazing. So that's an Oklahoma style onion burger. I'm Jackson Dells. Please tell me in the comments what you want me to make next, and subscribe and share these videos. Thanks for watching.